everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you 16 powerful English idioms and phrases that are perfect for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, and Duolingo. These expressions will help you sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident in English. So stay till the end and try repeating the examples with me. Before we start learning idioms and phrases, let me first explain what idioms and phrases actually are. So, what is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of the individual words. In simple words, you cannot understand an idiom by translating each word separately. Let me give you an example. It's raining cats and dogs. Now, this does not mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It simply means it's raining very heavily. That's why idioms can be confusing at first, but once you learn them, they make your English sound very natural and fluent. Idioms are commonly used by native English speakers, and using them in your speaking and writing helps you sound confident and advanced, especially in exams like IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, and Duolingo. Now, let's understand what a phrase is. A phrase is a small group of words that express a particular idea, but it does not have a complete subject and verb like a full sentence. In simple words, a phrase gives an idea, but it is not a complete sentence. Phrases usually have a direct and clear meaning, so they are easier to understand compared to idioms. Let me give you an example. A piece of cake. This does not mean an actual cake. It simply means something very easy. That's why phrases are widely used in speaking, writing, and English exams. Now that you understand what idioms and phrases are, let's move on and learn 16 powerful idioms and phrases with clear explanations and simple examples. So let's begin. Idiom number 1, run like the wind blows. This idiom means to run very fast. For example, Usain Bolt runs like the wind blows during international races. So, whenever someone runs extremely fast, you can use this idiom. Idiom number 2, a hot potato. This means a controversial or sensitive topic that people usually avoid talking about. For example, parenting has become a hot potato in many societies today. This idiom is very useful in discussion essays and debates. Idiom number 3, miss the boat. This simply means to miss an opportunity. For example, I missed the boat for my school event because I was sick. You'll hear this idiom very often in daily conversations. Idiom number 4, a small cog in a large wheel. This means having a very small role in a big organization. For example, I felt like a small cog in a large wheel while working in a multinational company. This idiom is great for job-related answers. Idiom number 5, have deep pockets. This means to be very rich or to afford expensive things easily. For example, only people with deep pockets can buy luxury cars. This idiom fits perfectly in economy-related topics. Idiom number 6, bite my tongue. This means stopping yourself from saying something. For example, I wanted to argue, but I bit my tongue to avoid a fight. Very useful for emotional or personal situations. Idiom number 7, every cloud has a silver lining. This means that every bad situation has something good in it. For example, losing my job was painful, but every cloud has a silver lining. I found a better one. This idiom works really well in motivational essays. Idiom number 8, a white elephant. This means something that is expensive but useless. For example, that unused stadium has become a white elephant for the government. Very useful for government and economy topics. Idiom number 9, have a whale of a time. This means to enjoy a lot. For example, the kids had a whale of a time at the amusement park. This sounds very natural in speaking tests. Idiom number 10, over the moon. This means extremely happy. For example, she was over the moon after clearing her IELTS exam. Examiners really like emotional expressions like this. Idiom number 11, an arm and a leg. This means very expensive. For example, that smartphone cost me an arm and a leg, a very common idiom for daily life answers. Idiom number 12, burn the candle at both ends. This means working very hard without proper rest. For example, he burned the candle at both ends to meet the deadline. Perfect for work-life balance topics. Idiom number 13, a month of Sundays. This means a very long time. For example, it felt like a month of Sundays waiting for the results. Great for storytelling answers. Idiom number 14, second nature. This means something that becomes very easy because of habit. For example, speaking English became second nature after daily practice. perfect for learning-related questions. Idiom number 15, a piece of cake. This means very easy. For example, the exam was a piece of cake for her. Simple but very powerful idiom. Idiom number 16, a drop in the ocean. This means a very small amount compared to the whole. For example, his donation was just a drop in the ocean compared to the total cost. Great for charity and economy essays. So, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eminence Career. Also, comment below which idiom you liked the most and try using it in your own sentence. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.